We've never had a challenge where we take 3 top pastry chefs and ask them to come up with a dish that's going to challenge our contestants, push them to the edge, and I think they've done a cracking job.
Sure have. Let's get the first dish in.
Prep time's over. Now we've got 3 minutes to unmold and spray our banana parfait, get all our elements onto the trolley, and then go and present it to the judges.
That's great. It's intact. Ooh, nice consistency. You've heard about the twirl.
Yeah.
Great stuff.
You happy with this? Have you done enough to not be the worst?
I don't know whether I've done enough to stay. I know there's mistakes in there, but it's a complete dish. Everything's on the plate.
At one point in that challenge, it was looking questionable.
Yeah,
Did
absolutely.
you get there? So that's fantastic. You've done it. All right, we'll taste. Thank you, Jamie.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Jamie.
The foam is holding up really well.
Good foam. For me, the most important thing is the sauce, the banana, the ice cream, the foam, and I love all of it.
The ice cream, which is really smooth, really beautiful. It's got a great consistency.
It's because of the amount of flavour he's managed to pack into every element. Gee, Jamie's done a good job.
He has, absolutely.
All right, Ben, time to plate up.
Oh, sorry.
There you go, that's good.
Pleased?
No, not completely. There's definitely some issues with it.
What's your gut saying?
It's going to be close, I think.
Time for us to taste.
It's oily.
Yeah, it looks really oily. It looks like it's separated.
The thing that pops out straight away on Ben's plate of food is the ice cream. I really like that. Good kind of concentrated banana flavour and a nice texture. The parfait, though, I don't think tastes as good. Texture's good. Maybe it's not enough chocolate, maybe it's not the same amount of coffee, but there's something that's a little bit off from that.
The letdown for me is that sauce. It's got this sort of fattiness about it.
The fudge sauce is a miss, the tuile is a miss, and for me, that banana needs more punch.
There's probably not enough flavour in that foam or the gelato, so I'm worried about that. But I'm really confident with the other elements of the dish, and I'm hoping that, they're enough to pull me through this challenge.
We're excited.
hope not.
You got a funny feeling?
No, I feel good. I'm very emotional, but no, I feel good.
Off you go.
Thank you.
Speak to you soon.
Hope you like it. Thank you.
What I am interested in tasting is that foam, because she didn't choose to remake it.
Yeah.
And I want to know if that cardamom flavour has come through.
If that's Laura's only problem, she's got a good day on her hands.
Oh, yeah. And that parfait's the way parfait should be.
Yeah, yeah.
And that little spherification, the cherry, is liquid centre and gorgeous. And for me, that peanutella, bottle that stuff.
There's two shining lights on this plate. One is the parfait, which I think is absolutely spot on, but also that foam. It's fresh, you know, taste of coconut.
It does lack a kind of a spice note, though. And so it does taste more like a kind of a foam made out of coconut, really, rather than anything else. For me, the miss here is the ice cream.
Yeah.
In the cook, right from the beginning, she had issues with the ice cream. It was a bit of a, you know, one of those sort of mishmash recipes, and you can tell that in terms of the result.
One of you created a dish that absolutely nailed the flavours of that banana split. Jamie, you're safe.
It's been such a long journey, and I've spent so much time away from my family, and to make it this far, that one step closer to the end, is just an amazing feeling.
Ben, Laura, it comes down to the two of you. Ben, your ice cream was smashing, but that sauce was oily and split. Laura, that foam lacked that necessary smoky cardamom flavour. But that parfait had the right coffee and chocolate notes. Beautiful texture. And you made a beautiful, dark, rich peanutella sauce that just brought the whole thing together. And that's why you're safe. Ben, I'm sorry, you're going home.
Well,
It's a tough day, huh?
yeah, it's really tough. Yeah, definitely. But it's how it goes, you know. It's been an unbelievable experience that I'll never forget.
Favourite moments?
I think cooking the ravioli for Marco, I loved that. And then the first and the last thing I cooked for Heston, I mean,
Yeah.
I'll never forget those moments ever.
We know that you're going to do well. I think if you pursue your dream, if you take on, you know, that big wide world, then we know you're going to be a success. Okay, Ben, it's time to say goodbye. I'm sure we'll see you very soon.
I am proud of myself. I think back of the last few months and how far I've come. I really went places I didn't believe were possible. I've done things I didn't know I could do. I may not have won MasterChef, but I'll confirm something that if you really want to do something and you put your mind to it, you can do it.